Hi guys, my name is Angelo, coming to you from Singapore. This is 2 days before Momentum that's taking place this weekend. So it's a hot, humid day in Singapore. We have 44 people who have actually given their time up on a Friday morning to come down and help out with the Lighthouse School in Singapore. And it's a school for impaired children with hearing and seeing sort of disabilities. And it's been fantastic, right? So I think more people, as much as it's a fun travel, building the business, I think it's also very, very important to come and spend your time with these type of people who want to give back. So yeah, as you can see, it's hot, humid, and hopefully by the next time that this comes around to Singapore, we hope to have a lot more of you here with us. So to all of those who volunteered, thank you very much, and hopefully for the guys who want to help us in the future, come and join us.